So today we're going to go through how to install your RoofBunk Roma thermal insulation pod. So the first stage is to remove the overhead storage net. So next, spin the thermal pod around so the doors are at the sides and the windows are at the ends, and also make sure the side with the holes furthest away from each other are on the same side as where the storage net was. Attach the straps round the bars and the corners of the RoofBunk Roma, making sure they're at the far side of the bars, so they should be as spread out as possible. To make sure the straps are nice and tight, you go up one hole, then tighten it, and then you go down the other hole to fasten it on. After that, you should have something like this, and make sure to do it on all four corners obviously. Next, fix the Velcro in the corners behind the struts so the struts are still showing. Start at the top and work your way downwards so it's as tight as possible. Tuck the pod underneath the mattress as you're doing each corner, so again it's tightly fitted. And it should look something like this. Next, put the storage net back up underneath the pod to stop it from sagging down. Make sure you've got the net the right way round before doing this. If it's the wrong way round, you will find it very difficult to get the last corner on, so flip it round and possibly over till you finally got it right. Attach two of the black elastic strings at the other side under the pod in a cross pattern, and then put the other two black elastic strings at the ends. To do this, loop it over the corner bars and then attach it on. Make sure you're attaching these onto the inner part of the corner bars this time, rather than the outer. You can also use the black elastic strings that came with your RoofBunk if you want to stop it from sagging even more. So finally, just fix the Velcro in any locations where you haven't done it yet, and tuck everything in nice and tight. And after all that, you should have something like this. Thanks again for buying it, and any questions just shoot them over. Cheers!